Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
How are you in English is more just like another way of saying hi to someone as you pass them in the hallways. So, how should you respond? Here are some common phrases that you can use. Oh, I'm doing well. I'm doing well. I'm doing good. I am doing good. I'm doing good. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. Oh, I'm getting by. I'm getting by. Pretty good. Pretty good. Not too bad. Not too bad. A lot of times people will shorten these up. They might say, I'm well. I'm well. I'm good. I'm good. Or even just good. How are you doing? Good. How are you? Good. Getting by. Getting by. I'm okay. I'm okay. How are you? I'm okay. I'm okay. Now, you might ask, what if you are not okay? What if you are going through a hard time? How should you respond then? Well, I know that it seems a little odd, but you still say, I'm good. I'm okay. If you say things are bad for me right now, or something along those lines, you obligate that person to stop what they're doing and ask you for some more details when they really might not have that much time to stop and talk. It was just a greeting. It was just another way of saying, hello. They are on their way to another task. If you want to let people know that things are going great with you, that's okay. And you can do that, you can give them a little hint of that by being a little bit more enthusiastic in your response. How are you? Oh, I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I'm wonderful. I'm wonderful. Excellent. How are you? Excellent. Things are fantastic. Things are super fantastic. Now you should know that it is only polite to follow up your response with a thank you. You might say, I'm fine, thanks. I'm good, thanks. I'm well, thanks. It's just a short way of saying, I'm well. Thanks for asking. I'm good. Thanks for asking. And then it is only polite and friendly to return the greeting. I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm fine, thanks. How about you? And after they have given their answer, you can just keep right on moving. You might look back, give a slight wave, have a nice day as you make your way to your desk. Have a nice day.
Well, that is our lesson on how are you. I hope that you have learned some new ways to respond in English. Thanks for being a part of our student family. We'll see you next time here at Study English with Frank. Have a good day.